Alright, Rum BZ here, about 8 o'clock in the morning, and start taking out all the tools that I'm going to need to shell down this engine now. Alright, so let's have a recap on the tools. Power drill, adjustable wrench, bird beat pliers, wire cutter, screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, you need 2 of them, tape, lug tool. The tape in the nuts in these things going to be for like fuel lines and whatever ratchets they call. I know it probably written on it, but I'm going to just say big ratchet, medium ratchet, small ratchet, and the extensions for all of them. A mallet, a hammer, crowbar, a big flathead, that for like praying out stuff. A 3/4, 19, deep 18, shallow 18, deep 17, shallow 17, deep 16, shallow 16, deep 14, shallow 14, deep 12, shallow 12, deep 11, shallow 11, and 10s. Should have had a deep 10, but ain't got none, so you gotta use what you got. You gotta improvise. Alright, so you can just make this easier. Remove the fenders, bumpers, AC, condenser, and radiator, and all that stuff right now. Me and my nephew set up a lid, and you know what I call this, but this is a real nigga rig. Up in like a house, but look at this shit. Alright, so radiator out, AC condenser, the headers off, AC lines off, intake, the lights, the harness, all that. So what I gotta do now, unplug the engine harness on both sides, disconnect that fuel line, disconnect that fuel line, disconnect the hose from the brake booster to the intake manifold, pull out, what else? Yeah, that should be it. And take off the motor mounts, drop this bitch. Oh yeah, then I gotta take off the suspension cause I don't got axle on that, so I just gonna take off the rims and pull off the hub and the spindle and all that, and just drop the engine with everything attached to it. Oh yeah, and then I gotta go inside, pull out the contour, where the shift is, unscrew that, go in there, unscrew that, and drop out the whole engine with the whole shift linkage. Man, got dirty, get it ready. Just went inside to come on. All that without a jack. All that without a jack, boy. No jack. So what I did so far. Unplug the harness. Got the harness wrapped around the engine. All the grounds and stuff. Pull off. Grounds pull off. Pull the harness out. Put ECU out, ECU out. Unplug all this. Unplug the return line for the fuel. Now we're going to unplug this fuel line here. From where we're going to do it from the top of this fuel filter, I guess. But yeah, pull it off from the top of the fuel filter. Unplugged all them wires behind it. Reaching somewhere, but fuse box and everything unplugged out. And that's all when it comes to lines and plugs and wires. Oh. Like I said, nigga rig. Brass, only 2 holding it up. Fuck up story about this. Look at this. This thing broke off now.
I say, yo, the other night, I say, yo, this is the last time I drive in this car. Let me get a little run off her. So I put her in first gear, wham bam, bust clutch, you know, roll tires. Second, bam 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 bam. When I lick 9 third, the whole thing break off, bro. The whole thing break off like blood clot. This is really a Honda, blood. That way, these cheap eBay short shifters, no good. Look how this thing snap off. What I doing? I pull to it. Okay. Alright, so I got a jack, going to jack up the car, you know. Put the jack stands on it and drain the oil. Oil black like I don't know what. Alright, going to take off this whole spindle and hub, detach it from the low end control arm and the upper control arm, and just end this, I forget what it's called, tie rodding. Could be right, could be wrong, I don't know, I'm not no mechanic. Boy, I give up still. I can't get that last nut out, the one from Freddy's. Well, I got the nut out. This thing right here. I got the nut out. I just can't get this out. I've been hammering, cause you're not supposed to hammer this now. Cause I'd flatten it out and then no screw can on it. Hammer this side, hammer that side, jacking up, doing that type of thing, but fuck, man, it's sweating. Whew. But I done pull off all the other stuff, so yeah, just gonna leave that and deal with that tomorrow, cause right now it's getting late and man is tired and I gotta pack up all these stuff and put them up. Yeah, go put all this stuff. Yeah, boy, calling it quits. I tired out. Yo, the only thing left to do is to take off the hub and unscrew the engine mounts, but yo, the hub don't want to come out for nothing, bro, so I leaving that there till tomorrow, but I'm not touching that. It's going inside, bro. But anyways, the bees way, you done know. We out. Yeah, bam.